I'm about to teach you the 7 laziest ways I've found so you can start earning over $300 an hour. You heard that right, an hour, not daily or weekly. We're going over websites that you've most likely have heard of before, whether browsing online or on this channel. Stick till the end of this video if you want to achieve that $300 an hour, plus I've got a bonus for you so you're not gonna wanna miss that. Here's a rundown of these 7 lazy ways I've got for you. 1. Proofreading services with AI. 2. Create websites with AI. 3. Drop servicing on freelance platforms. 4. Podcast editing with AI. 5. Drop shipping on eBay. 6. Pump out short-form content with AI. 7. Master the way of affiliate marketing. Starting off with our first lazy method, if you're looking to offer proofreading services but feel lazy, consider using AI to handle the heavy lifting. Platforms like guru.com are perfect for listing your services. Sign up for free, create your gig, and let the AI do the work when clients come knocking. One of the best tools for this job is ChatGPT. Just copy the text you need proofread, paste it into ChatGPT, and let it work its magic. Once it's done, deliver the revised text to your client. It's that simple. With potential earnings ranging from $8 to $100 per hour, it's a sweet deal for minimal effort. Here's lazy method 2. Creating websites for others using AI. Head over to a platform like 10web.io, where you can sign up for free. With 10web, you can build a professional website in minutes just by answering a few simple questions about your business and what you want your site to do. The AI takes care of the rest, crafting a complete website tailored to your needs. You can charge quite a lot for these sites, anywhere from $500 to $10,000 each. Once you've got your sites ready to go, platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are perfect for finding clients and selling your creations. Next up on our list of lazy money is number 3. Drop servicing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Here's how it works. First, head over to Upwork.com and search for a service you want to offer, like copywriting. Look for top-rated freelancers with a high job success rate, ideally 100%. Check out their hourly rates and find someone charging a bit below average. Once you found a suitable freelancer, you can basically copy their listing, create your own, and sell their services at a higher price. So if someone buys your service, you hire the freelancer to do the work at a lower rate and pocket the difference. You can apply this method to any service you want to offer. Just browse through the categories on platforms like Upwork, choose one that you think suits you best, and follow the same process. Look for freelancers charging slightly below average rates, then offer their services at a markup. For example, if I hire you to do a task for me, you simply pass on the details to the freelancer. They complete the job, and you deliver it to the client, aka me. It's the same deal on Fiverr. Find a service, copy a listing, and sell it for more. Hey, quick heads up! Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Alright, let's talk about the lazy method number 4. Podcast editing with AI. If you go back to Upwork or Fiverr, you'll see sellers charging hefty amounts, like over $100 an hour for podcast editing. Now, to cash in on this without breaking a sweat, you've got 2 options. 1. You could drop service it. Set up your profile, offer the service at a decent price, say $100. Then when someone bites, just hire someone like this guy here for $50, deliver the goods, and pocket the difference. Or, you can take an even lazier route and use something like Clean Voice AI. This nifty tool will handle all the editing for you. Just upload the podcast, let Clean Voice AI work its magic, then head back to Upwork, deliver the polished product, and collect your cash. In lazy method number 4, we're transcribing gigs with AI. To pull this off, head over to a site like rev.com and sign up as a freelancer. If they're not accepting applicants from your location, just switch up your location using a VPN until you find a spot where they are accepting. Once you're in and snagging gigs on Rev, you'll want to hit up a site called rhythmix.com. This site converts audio to text using AI, so when you land a gig on Rev, you can just bring the audio over to Rhythmax and let it do the heavy lifting. You'll get 15 minutes free as a trial, and after that, it's a few bucks per hour, depending on how much you need. So grab the audio from Rev, toss it into Rhythmax, get that text conversion, then loop back to Rev, submit to your clients, and cash in. In lazy method 5, I'll show you the ropes of eBay dropshipping. Here's how it works. Head over to eBay and start scouting products. Let's say you're into shoes. Use tools like Google Chrome extension keywords everywhere to pick out what's hot. For instance, Nikes are a big deal, pulling millions searches a month. Once you've got your eye on a product, search for it on eBay and look for listings selling a bit below market price. Take this Nike listing for example. The seller's got a bunch of good reviews, but their picks aren't the best. Just find better picks online, spruce up a new listing, and jack up the price a bit. So if you're selling these for $250, when someone buys from your listing, you just turn around, buy the shoes from the original seller, and have them shipped straight to the buyer. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes, and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. For our 6th lazy method, I'll show you how to pump out YouTube content with just a click. If you take this route, you open up multiple avenues for earning: YouTube AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products, among others. By generating traffic to various businesses through your YouTube channel, you can further boost your income. Here's how it works. Using in-video AI, simply provide a topic. Let's say top 10 restaurants to visit in LA. Select the workflow, such as creating a YouTube short. With the same video, you can reach audiences on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts, maximizing your reach. In-video AI then does the heavy lifting, creating a fully done-for-you video with a narrator, B-roll footage, and relevant content, requiring minimal effort on your part. The final lazy method on this list involves leveraging short-form content for affiliate marketing. If you've been following my channel lately, you'll know I've talked about affiliate marketing many times. Make sure to check out my other videos to learn several ways you can become an affiliate on many different platforms. Short-form content affiliate marketing is booming right now. YouTube recently made a change, removing links from short descriptions due to misuse of the platform for scams. Now, affiliate links can be added to your bio instead. So, using in-video AI, you can whip up short-form videos effortlessly, depending on what your niche is. Post them across platforms, drop your affiliate link in your bio, and include a call to action in your video prompting viewers to check your bio for more info or click the link there. With the ability to create unlimited videos quickly, you can repeat this process all day long, capitalizing on the viral nature of short-form content. The exciting bonus method I'm thrilled about is cashing in on Google affiliate marketing without having your clients spend a dime or make any purchases, and without you having to invest any money upfront. If you're interested in what Google affiliate marketing has to offer, check out my video explaining exactly how you can pull it off. We've covered 7 effortless yet lucrative methods to earn over $300 per hour. From AI-driven proofreading and website creation to drop servicing on freelance platforms like Upwork, these strategies offer high returns with minimal effort. With AI-powered podcast editing, transcribing gigs, eBay dropshipping, and creating YouTube content with in-video AI, you can utilize all these lazy methods to kickstart your online hustle. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy earning!